Let's remove the password. Factory data resets. Samsung Galaxy A12 is a lot of phone coming this, so you can open even at home if you watch my video. Switch off the phone. Plug in charging cable from the laptop. Volume up, power key, press together. Keep holding. When you see logo, release power key and keep holding volume up. When you see this logo recovery, release all the key. Okay, go to wipe data factory reset. Put volume down, now select with power key and go to the factory data reset. From volume down with power key now. Is wiping. Okay, reboot now. Rebooting. Let's see if it has FRP lock, Google lock or not. If it has, we remove. Can take few minutes. Be patient. Don't press any key. Charge your battery before you reset the password. And if it's helpful, please subscribe my channel, like my video. Took me some time. My friend playing game next to me. This phone is network issue. Yeah, starting Android. Don't do anything, just wait. Okay, go to next now. Right, accept, next, skip. This Google account, I think. For next.
This is Marawi. Explore the last capital of a black civilization that ruled the lands of Nubia for over 3,000 years.
This phone have no Google lock. Let's see if my software going to support this phone. We're going to unlock. very slow this smartphone. Just a second. Okay, this phone need no Google account or password. Okay, I just change the cable now. FRP screen lock, reset FRP locks. Click it on. Hopefully it's going to remove. What is it with my this? 50% asking now. Dial emergency star hash 0 star hash. Yeah, this phone is going to be unlocked now. Yes, allow 90%, 100%. Yes, successfully finish. Restarting phone. It's unlocked. White. Guys, please like my video. I teach you more. Mobile service menu setup wizard. It's open guys, ready to use. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Please now you can use whatever you want to use. Put your new ID in.